34 felony counts of falsifying business records. That's the number of charges deemed just by a grand jury in New York City against former President Donald Trump. And while today is the first time that we see criminal charges brought against the former president, there are multiple criminal and civil cases hovering over him as he seeks to win his party's nomination for the 2024 presidential election. ABC's Aaron Katersky breaks them all down for us.
After years of avoiding prosecutions,
Come speak to us, President Trump.
in an unprecedented turn of events, the former president of the United States, Donald Trump, is criminally charged following a grand jury investigation into 2016 hush money. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office has been looking into the $130,000 payment made to Stormy Daniels, the adult film actress who alleged she had an affair with Trump, which he denied, though he recently admitted being involved with the payment, saying, with respect to the Stormy nonsense, it is very old and happened a long time ago, long past the very publicly known and accepted deadline of the statute of limitations. Michael Cohen, Trump's former lawyer who wrote the check back in 2016, went to prison in part over the payment. If the charges stick, they expose Trump to prison time, however unlikely that is. And the case revealed two other payments that are also part of the investigation. $30,000 to a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed to have a story about a child Trump had out of wedlock. And another $150,000 to a woman who alleged she had a sexual relationship with Trump. He is the first former U.S. president to face criminal charges, but it is not the only legal problem he's dealing with. Trump could also face charges from Fulton County, Georgia, for his efforts to overturn the 2020 election results in the state.
The people of Georgia have spoken.
After suggesting Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger to, quote, find him enough votes to overturn the presidential election in a private phone call obtained by the Washington Post.
All I want to do is this. I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state.
Trump even went so far as to vaguely threaten Raffensperger during the call.
You know what they did, and you're not reporting it. That's a criminal offense, and you can't let that happen. That's a big risk to you and to Ryan, your lawyer. That's a big risk.
Just last month, Trump's legal team sought to throw out the secret special grand jury report after a months-long investigation by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Her office has been ordered to reply to Trump's challenge by May 1st. And that is not the only 2020 case related to Trump. He was under a nearly 2-year investigation by a House committee for the January 6th Capitol siege, leading to an 845-page report stating that Trump and some of his associates had, quote, a multi-part plan to overturn the 2020 presidential election. This is all in addition to a criminal investigation led by a Justice Department-appointed special counsel Jack Smith into Trump's handling of classified documents found at his Mar-a-Lago home.
So let's get to them real quick.
As well as a New York State civil lawsuit filed by New York Attorney General Letitia James that accuses the former president and the Trump Organization of overvaluing the family's assets by billions of dollars.
I think it's a sad day for any citizen of this country to know that somebody who wielded significant power, somebody who I think the citizens should and did and children do look up to, is alleged to have committed a serious crime. And once you open the floodgates to that, I don't know what to expect.
All of this comes, of course, as Trump conducts his 2024 presidential campaign, which polls have showed Trump leading his closest competitor, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, by some 8 points. But according to a new survey just out this week, only 45% of Americans support Trump's indictment in the Stormy Daniels hush money case. The question now is whether these indictments inspire higher turnout from Trump's base or only alienate Republicans who are on the fence.
Our thanks to Aaron Katersky for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.